Here's an update on my full bath remodel project. I apologize for the light in advance. I'm holding a work light again. I still don't have much light in here to speak of. So I was able to get the hot and cold water lines relocated for the new vanity location. I previously had the drain and vent already done. I did a little bit of reframing on the shower wall, as well as added a nailer, that 2x4 sideways in there. That's where the cement board will meet the drywall. I did that on the exterior wall as well. I was able to reframe the bulkhead. I had planned on taking this out, but that 3-inch vent that's back here offsets out into the bulkhead around the top plate and goes up through the roof. And there just was not enough room to get that relocated. So unfortunately, I'll have to live with the soffit in here, which isn't the end of the world. And I was able to move it up 4 inches from the previous location, so that'll help make the space feel a little bit bigger anyways. I got to rip out the old heat light combo yet. That's what that black Romex is for. That's just a switch leg. It's just cut and tucked up above that soffit. I've got my new Romex here for the light and fan, exhaust fan that I'll be putting in. I've got the shower can set. It's centered on the tub and it's centered on the soffit. I fixed the vapor barrier on the exterior wall. It used to be just a thin plastic. I'm pretty sure it was whatever the plumber had on his truck, and I think he put it in right before he set the tub surround. I furred the I furred the interior shower wall, back shower wall, with 1/2-inch plywood, and that is to clear that 3-inch vent. Previously, with the surround in there, it was inset, so it didn't matter. But if you're going flat across there with board, with a cement board, it had to be furred to clear it. I put an offset in the pipe as well to allow for a niche in the shower wall, and I wanted to center the niche on the shower wall, so in order to allow myself enough room, I had to move that pipe over. I fixed the subfloor. This was waterlogged, water damaged, I should say, from the crack in the previous surround. So I've got that cut out and replaced. I had to relocate the vent pipe here. It used to come straight down. The new tub is shallower than the old surround was, so it'll sit closer to that back wall. So everything had to move over. New mixer installed. Got the rough shower head height. It's a little higher than normal. I'm a little bit of a taller guy, so I've got it at, I think, 80 inches to center. Next step is setting this tub so I can get my tile spacing figured out, my layout done, so I can build that niche and center it on grout lines on full tiles. And then I think I'm going to go ahead and rock the rest of this room, and I think I'm going to insulate this wall here. Borders a bedroom. I think I'm going to insulate that just for sound, a little extra privacy for whoever's in the bathroom. And then one other thing I'm going to do next to that 3-gang box I got, I'm going to rough in a box for a thermostat. I'm going to go ahead and put a 30-inch by 9-foot 120 volt electric mat underneath the tile to heat the tile. The one I bought is a New Heat by nVent, so as I go, I'll be doing a little bit of a review on that as well. So stay tuned. Thanks for watching.